When riding an electric unicycle, you need to follow several safety tips. One of the most important of these is to always keep your body protected. It is very important to wear the proper gear when riding an electric unicycle. Lastly, make sure to follow the power alarm and tilt-back features of your electric unicycle. These devices will be able to warn you when you reach a certain speed, and you should slow down to avoid causing a tangle. Failure to heed these warnings could cause the device to malfunction and cause injury. Hopefully, these tips will help you have a safe and fun electric unicycle experience. When you ride an electric unicycle, you need to be very careful. When you pass a pedestrian, you must slow down, and if the pathway is congested, you should get off the unicycle to let them pass. If you're riding an electric unicycle, you need to slow down as you enter alleyways or crosswalks. It's important to keep your distance to pedestrians as well as to prevent any accidents. If you're riding on a road with traffic, you need to make a noise to alert others of your presence. If you're in a noisy area, you might not be aware of pedestrians. Electric unicycles should be ridden slowly. While it is easy to ignore pedestrians, it is crucial to be aware of pedestrians. While an electric unicycle is very quiet, it's important to keep a safe distance between you and pedestrians in order to avoid any mishaps. If you're riding in a busy area, make sure that you're fully aware of your surroundings. If you're not sure how to do this, try using music or other methods to alert people to your presence. In addition to slowing down, electric unicycle riders should also watch out for traffic. You should always avoid crossing the road while riding an electric unicycle. Many drivers don't expect a pedestrian to ride an electric bike at a fast pace. They don't see unicycles as a risk and should be avoided. However, if you're going down a busy street, it's best to slow down as much as possible. It's essential to remember that an electric unicycle is essentially a wheel with controls attached to it. It is much more unstable than a normal electric vehicle. When riding an electric unicycle, it's important to practice near walls or railings for safety. Aside from wearing gloves, make sure you are wearing a helmet. In addition to the protective gear, make sure to pay attention on the road. You should also be aware of any hazards, especially those that are too steep or tilted too far. When charging your electric unicycle, make sure you do not use damaged or frayed electric chargers. If your charger becomes damaged, dispose of it immediately and order a new one. When you're not charging your electric unicycle, the charging equipment should be kept out of reach of small children to avoid any accidents. Now that you have learned some safety tips, if you haven't already purchased an electric unicycle, do so from Top New Motorcycles. On Top New Motorcycles you can shop in 3D and augmented reality. You can also read reviews from previous buyers. Once you have what works best for you, add it to your cart and get free worldwide shipping. Visit topnewmotorcycles.com today and start shopping for your next electric unicycle.